Hello, Elias.
Hello, Daddy.
A surprise? Is it gonna be a surprise?
Mommy, I enjoy.
What is this? Show me.
The Paw Patrol.
Is it Paw Patrol surprise egg?
Yeah, and candy.
A Paw Patrol surprise egg candy? Oh my god. Oh, Elias.
I can open.
You can't open?
Yeah.
There is a plastic on top of it. You see? There's a plastic. We have to take it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hold it? Can you see me in the camera? Okay, kids. Here we go. We're gonna open it. Let's open
So
it.
I need to open.
Elias, film here. Let's show the kids how we're taking the egg out. Okay, we got it open. Now it's time for me to film you. Put it now like this. No? Wait. And this is challenging. Here we go. Good, we got it out. Let me see what's inside. What is it?
It's candy.
It's candy?
Yeah.
Look over here.
It's a monster.
Is it Marshall? What does Marshall do? Show me. What? It's opening?
Nothing.
It's nothing? What? You got it? Now put the candy inside here.
Yeah.
Put the candy inside in here.
Yeah.
Push it.
This. Let's see what would it open.
You open it?
Yeah.
Look again. Look. It's just like a jar. Crazy jar. Marshall is gonna eat the candy. Oh.
This is my candy.
Elias, please share with me. You got 2 of them. Okay, thank you, Elias. Can I have it? Thank you. You're so kind. Ah, it's so good. Candy is good. Do you like your candy? Say bye-bye, friends.
Bye bye, friends.
Look in the camera. They want to see you. Say bye-bye, friends.
Bye bye, friends.
Look over here. Look over here in the camera. Okay? Say bye-bye, friends.
Bye bye, friends.
Okay, bye.
Bye.